Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well and fine, and in today's video I'll be showing you TD Bank how to link external account. So without wasting any time, let's just jump right on the video and make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the steps as well. In order to do it, first what you need to do is simply head over and open up the TD Bank browser. Then once you're inside here, what you need to do is on the search bar type in TD Bank. Then once the search result loads, simply tap on the first thing that is shown to you. Now once you're inside, all you gotta do is log into your account, and then once you log into your account, what you need to do is select an external account. Then once you're inside, enter your banking account number and account type, submit the form. TD will deposit 2 small micro deposits. Then once received, log back into TD, navigate to external transfers, choose verify account and enter the exact deposit amount. Upon correct entry, your external account is successfully linked. Then after linking, you can set up a one-time or schedule automatic transfer. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful to you. Leave a like if it did, comment down any questions that you have, and see you soon on the next one.